Big time.
Everything out of this. And then bust up. Everything. So now show me brother.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Like for me partners on the way further, there's no people there right now. Nobody now go further on this again.
So which part you live? Nobody around there again? Body gone?
All the Pasiki did the lesson on Koji. Yeah.
So you're not going to live back up there again?
Well, right now, I put up back one boat structure you know, for the moment, you know. But I can't stay down there all the time. I have some you told me so.
Well, what going to see? So what going to go see, no?
People there, yes.
What going to go look? Go walk, go check for Rafa place and come back.
Yeah, man.
Because I have two persons that come out and so one young man just come. So I don't know if you could wait that long.
We'll come back soon, we'll go up at the and come back. Whoa! Just take out two of them. Give one.
People them a come out from the hill when I come here, give them.
So that's the woman there. Go walk and forward.
The people them come down from up the south.
They come and walk it too. You want to walk it too, you can walk it too. But nobody not there.
Nobody come down and read it. The lady there come.
Oh, you're Rafi.
Come on, we go walk.
So guys, I literally know I'm going to head to, the house where I spend most of the time, So Rafi, say hello to my video. So this is
hello, sir. All about respect.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. You know the disaster here, right?
So this is my family. So this is where we used to stay with him. So we're going to head up the hill, to see what happened to the place, So, feel tired already, Shara? I know reach that. Shara said she's tired already. This is the walk,
Yes, man. When you come out here, I'm going to see everything, man.
House gone.
Every house we cut. Then my country place.
Yeah. Okay, man.
I will lead like our family.
You can't laugh.
Right, where you go still? All the whole of here so gone, clean.
That one in here, Boom TV.
No, not gone, clean.
Yeah, Boom TV.
Oh, so some start set up by them house over there, so?
No, man, I'm going to be fast. I can show you, sir. Nobody come in. Come look now, we brother.
Tell her from me I come and see it and you will eat what I say.
Listen, Rafi. Say, nobody come around here, come look.
Nobody. Nobody. Understand?
So, no MP, no politician,
MP.
nobody.
Man,
So those people that bring care package come give you now.
just people care, just how you see them. Said how you see I do it now.
Yeah.
That's the way, nothing else. Virgin. And who had them look one goat and then one cow and then this when they're dead. And then you have a silver.
No walk with anything?
I walk in the water.
Remember you have all these people, so all these people up here don't get no farm and help, nothing at all.
No help, man. Oh, come. Oh, yes, I'm here.
I don't know if it's okay.
Rose, they can't go down there, the man go assist you.
Okay, all right.
So I see them that way I look on the Rafi.
You remember the church on the side?
I see them.
See church, yeah?
I church at Flatton, so?
Yeah.
What?
Look at that, the big church.
Okay, that's how the funeral keep the last time.
Yes.
The last time we come and got a funeral at a church, you say Flatton.
Flatten. See all the school on the north top.
Yes, that's a school with the chapel there on top.
Yeah, that beside the mission, for the church, north top. You get me? 4 hours a car, look over there.
No. I'm to Kino father. Which part in there again?
Kino father.
Debbie baby father. His name Junior? Junior.
That was beautiful, yeah.
You know, remember Debbie from Kingston? From where you call out this again? Out of the river. You know Debbie? She's out of England, man.
Debbie from down there,
Yeah. They're from down the Robbins River.
Never house again. You can't tell us how see also, you see them?
Yeah.
Look down around to down there, see them?
Yeah. Yeah, fear house damage as well.
Pay canvas, you see them?
But Rafi, I can see a foundation from right here, so.
That's what I can't see from here.
And I that me look for.
No, sir. You know, one man, me say me have a couple goat left, and then me have to sell and get some zinc, and get back some part of it.
So all the farm gone damaged as well?
No farm, man. You can't find no road to go there. No road. Animal them dead off.
The animal them dead off?
Yeah, man. Enough of them dead off, man. The 2 million left and me sell them. I get some zinc and raise back up. But you want board?
You want material now?
Yeah, no.
Like what, ply?
You don't love the ply, man. The ply can't turn the water.
Oh. You want boards? You don't think you should get blocks? Is that a struggle for bringing it up?
But I'm not going to do it round myself.
Or you wouldn't do it around yourself?
No, I'm not going to do it round myself. I'm not going to do it round myself.
So where do you get somewhere else?
Both of my daughter also. You have one place out there.
She have land space?
Yeah. And so we can do more, you know? Yeah.
Wow, look on the place, man. All a big tree of falling right there, so.
Yeah.
How for tank this? All a tank here. How for tank this, Rafi?
The yard up there, so. After them tank this,
Oh, up there, so.
yeah. So from yard, that's it.
So one more there, please.
Yeah, that's one more tank. It's a tank here. Tank down there, so. Tank down in the gully. Are you hearing this?
Yeah, you know, I don't go up yet.
This,
Yeah, this one after me.
Gee,
You can't go up yet.
can't go up here.
All right.
And them heavy man. So Rafi, so when you get this tank up the hill?
You know, when we young, we're chang, you know, man. When I say we're young, we're chang, you know.
Alright.
Chang. So we can't come up here.
I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah.
So I just stand put it in. Yeah. Hey, what do you want?
So we the
All right. This is all I have now.
yeah.
All of them are something you know for me, them, you know. All of them are something you know for me, them. But come out of your house, sir. Everything.
Yeah.
Everything come out of us, sir.
So all doppelveden house gone.
Yeah.
Doppelveden.
Yeah, man, the house gone, man.
Veden house gone. Damn.
That's Veronica.
That one there.
Yeah, that's Veronica house that. You don't remember it?
Yeah.
I have to call you myself. You put it back for him. Yeah.
Right over Veden here, so look on all left is Veden Foundation.
Yeah, see that.
Damn.
Not no left there.
Oh gosh.
Not no left there. See that?
This is all left from Veden. So this is the youth from there you made them run up and down.
Yes.
A film place this. So this is just spot.
So just this part. Our shop manager say no.
Right here, so let me hear the shop right. So that's the stuff down there.
Yeah.
And the breadfruit tree them we used to day here, so are them this? Ja.
All of them set everything.
So this are the house that we used to sleep, stay when we come down here. Out there. Yeah, Rafi house.
Everything, see them, everything come out. See them, everything come out.
Rafi, are you setting this?
Yeah.
Are you a chair?
Yeah.
Black and slab we have to go do now.
Now we have to go to the see them. Everything come out of it.
The furniture. So you never in here when it happened? In here when it happened?
Half my boy don't know about in there. When half my boy and chop so.
Chop out.
Chop out.
Zinc do it.
Zinc do it. And glass. Eh?
That now is gone too.
Yeah, they for me house and your house. After that, no house left up, so me say nothing left up, so.
Correctly.
Yo, I could have shown you something for you, but that.
Gone too?
Yeah, man, for house gone a long time.
So all of the house that mommy used to know up there.
Gone.
Everything. Quick run, you go up and go round.
Yeah, because I see him come up here a while ago.
Where?
Yeah, them tell me, say them. Winston tell me same thing, come up.
And just now?
This morning, them can't show things for you.
I don't know.
Go on.
I don't know if that's it. To reach up and say, I'm going away for what? I place black off.
Yo, Charlie!
Call him.
Charlie!
Yeah, I'm a bed there.
Where your bed there? The bed is. So the hurricane fling out everything.
What do you miss, man?
And sure, I'm tell you, see that walk here, it go all the way up now, where people live now. Just know that. Yeah. Just know that. So when time I'm young and you're going to Westmoreland, this is where I'm at. Right here.
But that they also do.
That still stands still.
That they also do this.
This is Rafi house. And what they made us show the picture with our mama or the house they stay.
Big time.
Everything what I do. And then boss up. Everything. So now show me brother.
Everything. So you say you sell animal them and just buy some zinc?
Yes, man, I'm goat them have a sell back brother. I reach to a apartment reach. Goat them. I reach back on me the way. Everything last everything. So every set up about there is nothing for going on. Don't find a bed to go in there. Everything gone.
Jaja.
This is the place, you know?
Yes, man.
So this is the step right here, so we walk and go from there. Oh, sorry. Everything gone, guys. Jaja. Rafi, so now the room is where we sleeping now?
Yes, man, that the room there.
Right here we sleeping, so the room here.
That room there, so.
And the bed there right here, so. Right here, and this is our Rafi room. Jaja. Jackson.
Everything out there. Everything out.
Look at this guy.
You know the people there, guys, so. The flooring now there. Yeah. Flooring now there left. See what I say over there, so that's here.
Oh, that's all.
Yeah, when I say that.
Everything blow down, man.
Everything come out, man.
And the pit tile it gone too.
Yeah, look at, I didn't say how we go down night and take out the board down night. You go down night pit tile and take out the board fling away and let it tile wide up in.
It got down in the tile.
Yes.
Carry it gone. So them things stay, man.
It's like a tornado.
Yeah, they take
I tell you the one.
Take it out and carry
Tornado, man.
it.
So all phone and everything.
Look how they them block up the sun. Fling them gone, sir.
Fling a box out the same.
I do blocks them like that too.
Yeah.
So box out them black there.
See, Baja? Yeah. Boss off the black them.
The kitchen door there.
Oh, you resell, put about the top, yeah?
Yeah, man. I saw the mobile left, Mr. Man.
That's just a foundation on the left, just
That's
this.
the one.
You have to make it never go slab.
Yeah. No, run so you can't carry on.
Oh, yeah, do something down.
Yeah,
A flat.
also have to do it, but right you know what so you have to do.
You have to do, you know,
It's so bad.
comfortable, right?
Yeah, it's so bad.
Yeah, makes sense.
Because if you even do slab in it, to bring the material and
Can't come on this again, man.
That what I say. We shall
Come
put
down
the
with me,
house.
when I say when me, I'm gonna make big.
Big. Yeah, man, you can't manage that now.
Can't manage that
reach
now.
out to them.
then take them time.
Yeah.
Take them time and bring them up. So basically, Baja said, I have to sell them goat them and buy some zinc, you know.
Yeah, man.
What you have to do, you have to do. You have to get back
Me
your family and your life together.
lose a boy 8 of them.
Yeah.
But 8.
So where them was, man?
Oh no, bush on someone.
So the boy that is down?
Yeah, around there when they. And when can come like this shit, they're not dead more for the house of Japan them.
Okay.
So when they're in the bush and I'm going to
They
tell
know for my car in a while, you know.
yes, they know we navigate themselves.
Yeah.
And we lose about 8 of them to 9 of them.
Give thanks, you have life.
Yeah.
Which is the greatest, you understand?
Yeah.
And we reach us, you know.
Yeah, because reach far.
Some assistant right now. Need some
Some
assistant
sideboard
to
and
get some
things.
sideboards and them things.
So sideboard, they're going to use like these type of boards.
Yeah,
Groove and tongue.
Groove and tongue.
Yeah, groove and tongue, yeah.
So you have to do back everything fresh.
Yeah, man, everything I'm going to do. Everything. It's going to take a while, but you know.
No, Charlie, me that car. Craig.
Oh, Craig, over there.
Yeah.
I'll tell her, Mr. Man. And the people that are called you.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, your people there.
Yeah, man, Blanche and Tweet set them.
Okay, yes.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Yeah. So she come right off of the car. They see the sea there, you know. Okay. So when they come off of the sea, you know, man, they take everything.
Right up. Right, anyway. Sandals, White House, the right in the region.
So when they come off of the sea, yes, I come full force.
Channel this, you know.
Yeah.
You notice right, I say, you know.
Cause look on the church, at the church that you know. Look at the church down there, so. At the church when I come down here the last time I got the funeral.
Yeah.
At the church that the church shell down. The black them look. It shell down, there's nothing left.
Yeah.
There's no what do you mean I tell me about when I come at the church? Yeah. Go on the funeral. That's the church. Shell right down. Right there so where Vietnam the youth I grew up with.
Yeah.
And I come down here. I feel in place at the gone. All I see are those
steps.
Those steps.
Oh, sir. The house go on one.
And the house that gone, leave the foundation. Leave the foundation alone. Very, very, very.
It's a recovery. The people really recover from years. So the good thing about it is that they have life. But at the same time, this is going to take a lot. Because whatsoever you lose now, you can't gain it back.
No.
Because it's lost.
Yeah.
You can't just build from here, so you have to try get back yourself in line and try make yourself and your family comfortable. Which is going to take a lot. Most of these people, they lose everything. They have to start all over again.
All over.
You understand? The money,
and most of them run here.
no employment,
yeah, I remember most
agriculture,
of them live off of farming.
Farming and all of these things and crops, everything gone.
Everything.
So it's going to take a while, so more time you have to give your heart out. Come now and see it first and just looking at it on phone and all of them things there. No, come and see it. You can really feel and understand the people in pain and where them are going through. You understand? Trust me. It's hard. Family house this. The whole of the entire area have a family.
A family, yeah.
You understand? And everything devastated.
Gone.
Everything gone. You know? But the good thing about it, we have life where we can start from. No loss of life for Pearson.
Yeah.
That's one of the greatest as Father God preserve, what we give thanks for. You understand? But we don't need all the assistance right now in order for even bring back certain things to what it was. It may not come fully with the liquor we them have and all of these things. We are appeal to the public right now for even. No matter if you even cash and kind, anything, your words of prayer, whatsoever you have can offer. We don't beg for that. You know?
We appreciate it.
Yeah,
no matter
anything,
how small
it is.
You know, we give thanks.
We give thanks same way.
as I can see, the need is there. The need is very high. And it's so high, which is we have to come together. That's the only way we can literally do it to try to help out. Because as Rafi explains, they may get no assistance or no help, nothing at all. So no one visited them, nothing at all. So for sure, no light. You know, so they may go out of light for a very, very long time. You know. And for that as well too, there's no business that I really can turn over here because if people don't have light, they can't store no drink on the fridge or anything. So it's a rough same way, you know. So that means for people who used to sell meat, can't sell meat anymore. Yes. And for the farmer already lose in crop, lose him animal, in stock. All thing can't think about we try to build him house. Because he need a way that he can start back from. He have to comfortable in order to move forward so he can add other things. And as him say, the amount of go to him have and him lose many Father God, still leave him with some. Where he can able to sell and do all of this where him does. But you say they are not lazy people. They not really depend on looking handout. It's just that's at this time. All assistance, you done good. No matter how small or how great, it's appreciated, you know. For help, for assist, you know, for bring back life because it's a large family. You have to do somewhere else. And you know, say in your own circles and them things, you feel more comfortable and all of that, you know. So I beg for the assistance in whatever way you can. Small, anything counts. If you can give it in cash and kind, the word of prayer, and them things you have to encourage. Counts,
you know, and all of them things. We need that right now.
Count.
Yeah, man.
Rafi.
Yes, man, we need him, man. We need him, man. We need him, man. We need the help, brother.
You never experienced not like this in your life?
We are 66-year-old. 66. I never see this. We go through a whole heap of storm. And my house turn up here same way. This one,
15 months from no.
Yes, buried.
Come 15 months.
15 months buried.
So you can think of what will come next year.
Wicked. That means if anything come out of this and over this, the earth I gonna move. Earth I gonna move.
Oh God.
We out a door. We never see this. I never see this. Never. Never see this. You have to run for your life. Yeah, I see my boy get a cut. I said, remember me tell you brother. When me see cut me weak.
Open up.
And that say that the man phone go for the time being, man. And that they say no.
Everyone go on the cellar.
Yes. And when it kind of cool like them flash out. Alright, let's say how turn over with them, you know.
Could have bleed out, you know.
Turn over with them right there, sir.
Oh, those turn over
with them, you know. Yeah, man. I try to say them come. See how they do this lick off clean.
Understand me?
Them say them wait at the storm. Okay.
Them that try say them could have go through it.
All storm pass. Them in here. Them not come out.
When the storm gone.
Very real.
Man say, the man that say, don't listen, say, when the storm the man will go down but I no cool off down there. I don't know, but man said I want to come, I don't listen, they're not good enough, I don't listen,
alright, don't have the church, don't listen. Don't listen, man, do their rubber shelter, see there.
The church, yes, I'm not sure about that.
Imagine, if anybody in there.
Hey, well, Anna. The person will lock the church. When the man them run come on, they then tell him say, if you open the church, and the man said, no, we're not gonna open the church. Because when them go in there, they're not deal with the church like a church.
You see.
So the man said, no, open it.
See that save life. Just by being.
Me say God in everything, me say so. God in everything.
Yeah, man, a real time.
Because if you ever open
that. If you never ever open it.
Yeah, all for people.
No matter 20, 40, 50 people that bury up on us.
Yeah.
So nobody not lose them life up here upon the hill?
No, only get cut up. Cut up. Because what? They're not here. They're not here. They're not here. For the man tell you, the way the man talks, no board structure. Find a place where strong.
Yeah.
And until the plane say every place, A black and you know complete dog in there.
Dog in there.
See there. Flat. So if you man never go in there, then right now they're not in there.
Yeah.
Bury up under there. And the man quarrel with the man we open the church and the man say, he's not gonna open it. I see that, and I pay a stone make you.
Father God working mysterious.
This in everything, man.
That thing is still on the church.
Yeah, man.
Church, man.
Big church, you know. Big
church.
And the biggest about here.
The last time I come down here, I got the funeral and I see in place of our church we go.
And the school is.
Yeah.
Yeah, my boy. I hit the man with the people in the church right now.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Run
past you.
They must run from here, yeah, man.
Well, go on. Thank God. True.
Your wife's passport, wait up there.
Yeah, man.
You know how it is? You know how it is?
We're renewing with you now.
Eh?
Right, you call right there.
Oh.
Who are you?
Yeah. Why the place look away, man, not lie.
When you tell me say this man say you come in, that's why I come on a show because I know say you over there.
Yeah, if I burn that one, I would like to buy
Yeah.
So you get damaged too?
Yeah, we was gone too.
Gone.
Come put the box up the fast away.
No.
Yeah. Ja boy, ja.
Rough and done. And a purpose home.
I can't find that.
Everything I
I
come.
come smoke off everything.
And that man tell me.
You know what? You have to say, a junk, come on. Junk.
Boss junk with the left heel.
Yeah, and junk, man. A junk, come on, man. Anything he left, you know.
That's why I go back to create more problem.
Well, anything he passes, man, in can't manage it.
All I see it bring the zinc them, you know.
Hold on, man. Let me show you something. Hold on, let me show you something. Our hotel that, you know.
Yeah, man, see
You see it?
Yeah.
And look behind the chair, there's a piece out nice there. Look there.
Yeah.
One whole piece of hotel out nice there. You see it? Look behind the tree there. Yeah, man. One whole.
Oh.
Yeah.
One whole. Oh, the man shop it up in our work.
Yeah, let me see, man.
I Sanders the hotel.
Yeah, man. That shut down, man. You must have to sign it.
You know, see all that nice see back at the tree
Yeah.
It's a fling it off and fling it out.
Yeah. I remember this, so it's time coming from it. This is the eye are creeping from it.
I come in, right? Say I come in.
The eye coming right there, so
Yeah.
that's why, man. So that's where the eye coming from, Baja, right where Sanders is.
Say I come in from back.
So that's why them get it so heavy up here.
You have to ask for the eye pass.
Yeah, we have some grocery down here, so yeah?
Yeah, man, it's ready, man.
Well, we are going down there now.
Yeah.
I walk down there now still. Yeah, ja.
Yes, man. You take up one whole hotel and now.
Well, guys,
You're not open market next year.
you see the struggle.
Must go May, June, and it's open. So enough people.
Nobody want to wish us an evil and them worst enemy.
Back up in the same. You say nobody.
Trust me.
Yes. Only hold the brothers can't be those. Not left over the neighborhood.
We give thanks.
Say all the best in
We
there.
give
Let me
thanks.
put them back on. Mash up you.
Who to blame?
Nobody, brother.
Blame nobody.
No, you can't blame
Come
nobody.
here.
Just take care and call you.
And that floor in your lap. Rafi, how much years now you live right here, so?
That's all.
How many years now you live here?
Why, I live on nearly about 35 years.
35 years.
Good time of day, man.
Very long time.
Well, on the day, I saw me get 3 pitney right there. 3 children me get now.
And this is the hill where I run down Baja when you hear that.
Yeah. When me now push the right, man. You see I run from the forehand. And you can drop down also.
Yeah. Right up there somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you come out the year, me say man,
No, me not, listen up.
me friend to me.
What happened now? Yeah. Up there, me and the same you from over there, so Vaden. We call him Doppel Vaden.
Yeah.
But we go up, the reason why we reach up there because we have a catapult. But we see one eagle go up there and the bird them and the picture them and pitch him up. So we go up there now and I walk, but while we walk, Vaden see one frog in one hole and I dig him out in black too, you know. So while him dig him out, him spit on him hand.
Whoa!
So when him spit on him hand now, him jump out same time, him jump out towards me. Then I go run off. You know? And the run, I'm going to run off now. I can't stop. You know? Just run down the hill. I throw a hill. So no matter how much me I try to stop, I can't stop. Listen man, and there was one line there here, so. And them say I try to grab off it, but miss. Miss the line. Yeah, I drop right and roll coming at it right there, so.
Water.
Whole per stone there here, but we know how I miss the stone them. I miss the whole of the stone them, brother. Because you have a kitchen there right there, so I'm rocking in the kitchen. And she hears something go boop. You know?
I in that bush. Yeah. So come with that, this water.
So when I wake up, I hear them put them for sit down. And I can't, everybody around me, they were like, good. And I wonder who them people are. You know, like,
unconscious.
I can't remember nothing. But the only thing with them, I'm a toe of the buck. But come like I buck my toe now and me I run come down. And then my chest the kind of a bruise on it. But my head never bust nothing at all. Nothing. I miss the whole of the stone in the yard.
The head did bust from you.
What? Yeah.
Just give the pitch there.
Yeah.
The pitch where you would normally get, not catch it.
Listen, I say, I never see myself I run and can't stop yet. Even when I feel it, yeah, that feels so weird. When I say, boom, I find myself still, so I run, can't stop. I can't find nothing. Because the thing is that when you run, you run sideways. But through me come from town, me never know this. So I'm going to run off straight. So I'm going to run off straight now. I can't stop. Can't stop.
When you drop it.
I want my job. I'm wake up and I wonder who these people around me. Nobody I don't know till a little time I kind of take time and come back. And the room where you say behind this, and the room where the inner stair. And this is a Rafi room and his wife. So every time Rafi walk through that door there, with him flashlight come shine upon me and check upon me at the hours if I'm alright. You know? Because through my mother we are king's son now, you know, and I tell me. Them car boom one time I knock out, Kino dead. We say, what? It was a normal, I tell you, that's our experience. Every time I remember out there, so. Come in and walk down on the floor.
Daniela, watch it.
Remember the door, run on the hill like me. Guys, I'm telling you that experience was something else, you know. So I was running down the hill and I can't stop. Run. I could remember I tried to hold on the line, but I missed. You know, and that's when, boom, you know, drop right at the middle of the yard, boof, knock out. You know, trust me. And look how many stones. Yeah, these are so many stones. And I'm gonna miss all these stones in the yard. I'm gonna drop right in the empty space. Like how you have so many stones. This is how the yard is. You have an empty space like right here. So that's how I'm gonna drop in the empty space where no stone is. It's like the Almighty just take me up. Like that Almighty just hold me and just go put me there and say, go sleep. You know? Well, you said it's cool, you know, man. No sun never used to come through, you say, you know. No sun. Yeah. When I walk through here, man, it's like, you know, I move. Place cool, but there's no tree, you know, everything gone. And the gully this we used to walk, go down as well, too. Them think they black up and everything.
Yeah, man.
Thanks, alright.
Paja, you take out something for you?
Yeah.
See
Okay.
your family next one. See your family next one. See your red rose.
people them that come.
Water Christ, no, Papa? I want to spring every water from the come up in yeah, man, I used to have to go catch.
Let me see I run twice.
The river got top about the river.
So where do bus is a spring?
Yeah,
come up.
Yeah, you got to bust it up.
But I know that's in the aquifer full. Yeah. So it can't hold more water, so it's a push it out.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Probably around the next month or so I try.
Baby, alright. See you time. You see time.
Yeah, Esther eat.
Respect you, my general.
Yeah, man.
Thank you very much and thank you for everything you have said here.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, eh?
Alright, cool.
No, leave more.
Remember Rita?
How we got to call him?
Eh?
How we got to call him?
Gonna wrap it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Family.
That is it.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, that's right, man.
Yes, don't see your radio today, man.
Yeah.
Man, all that we go through, you see?
Sure.
Yeah, man.
Rough.
Ah, what do you, man? No joke.
Rough, man.
You mother come.
Shed good old Shady Grove, man.
Our light is a school in our
So come back and find a good
the wife.
The wife that them.
They are ready to pick the way you get
No, you see about that.
Yeah, what that say? Which husband?
Care package done now.
You know when you call husband, when you put on, you know how you put on.
Yeah, when you put on
Okay,
your
no.
husband.
You know how you put on the ring.
I'm the one that they read.
That's everything.
I your husband.
But now I take them and leave them here now.
You know wrong.
I leave them.
Everybody, we question them why. We not even know man name.
Let me why you want me to. I have all that.
No, stop it. Stop.
Eh? Yeah, the sun too far, man, for me walk far, no?
No, I'm to your teeth and them.
So what go on? How does that affect you?
Why he hang me rough? You know, see not even a spoon, he was mash up fine. Down to me denture gone, not even me pot, not even one spoon me see. And me denture me just build for me mouth, it gone.
Gone.
See,
In the slam.
yeah, me not see nothing. Not everything mash up fine for me. And the new mattress. When me have come like a people take up here, oh I miss it. Everything gone, everything gone, everything gone, everything. 16 head of me goat then gone.
16 goat?
Yes, 16 head of me goat then gone. Nothing even left is stranded. Yeah, you know me only live up and down high school, me have to sleep on a top iron. At night time. He tough chair. When me no used to. And me do a surgery. And the hand can't go up so. See there it can go.
Oh, it can't go up?
A surgery, me a surgery, I got pin on
What
me.
happened? Oh, you're pinning it?
Yeah, pin in eye.
What caused that?
I better shoot me down a pie shop there. Over a wall. They kill me.
I'm breaking?
Yeah. That's me have to do surgery. I 85,000 I have to pay for the people. 85,000. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You're going to be rough, man. It's time I'm going to be rough, man.
Melissa is not a good girl.
No, you are a terrible girl.
Yeah, but cause you have life though.
Yes, yes. Yes, respect and love.
Yeah,
No manners.
Big up, man. Big up.
Big up. Yeah, man. Okay.
Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. This guy said, the care package them, literally they went quick, they went quick and everything, and the people really in need of those stuff, so I think the guy usually any assistance we can get, we can give them any form of support we can, because the help is really needed, because the situation is really bad down here, it's really bad to see what the people them is really going through, and then now they get no support, no form of help from no one at all, only like one and two person that come around and give away care package, but it's not so often, because of where this place is, the location where it is. As I see when it was coming up, it was coming literally through. Just look at the back there, literally coming through all of these places, and the road wasn't so pretty as well too, but give thanks, thank the Lord we made it, we made it. So this was somewhere I definitely have to come, because I got a lot of memory right here, a lot of memories. So I really did have to come back here to check out and see what the place is like, trust me. And the way I've seen it and how it's look, it's really sad. And then to know that the people lose so much, and then they lose their crop, because around this area most people depend on farming as well too. A lot of people depend on their farming. A lot of people raise animals, and they lose a lot of goats, especially goat. A lot of them lose their goat also. So it's really tough, for what they're going through, to see what the place is, It's really tough. But boy, we're praying for the best, and any form of assistance we can give, we appreciate it. Because I'm saying this is going to take time, The situation here, because I speak to a lot of people and them being traumatized of what they've been through here, Trust me, people are traumatized, same way. So I just can't imagine whenever, they hear of anything that's gonna pass by. I just can't imagine what's gonna go through their mind. I just can't imagine. So next time I'm gonna pack some stuff as well to support for the kids them also, because there's a lot of kids here. So we do some care package for kids also, and for adults, bring some pampers and them to make a baby. Because we're gonna need some baby diapers as well. We're definitely gonna need baby diapers, because there's a lot of young kids around here as well, young baby, because they've been asking if I have any young diapers as well. So that's also is gonna need it as well too. So yeah, man, we give thanks, man. I appreciate, Ross. Yeah, man. So tell me, how this storm really affect the community and things.
I know, I want to most devastated thing me ever seen in my life. Like in a real life, if you look on this and try to say start from somewhere when I hardest thing for people right now. But people stay strong and push out what they can do. This get totally demolished, and from what they see people kind of reach out and say they want things like they want something, people want to build back in place.
Yeah.
And everybody will get the help at this hour, but Kino, believe me, we wait on to reach out, and that's time I want the most devastated thing. Look where do you to the place, PJ.
Yeah, see.
Yeah, bro. So right now, as we're there, at this moment, big up you and your team, the A team, one team though. The past to dream team. Yeah, man, the dream team, man, one team. But apart from that, still, right now, we're on a rebuilding process. Everybody try to rebuild back, come back from scratch and then we're there. But we give thanks to say we can have our people reach out to like our one team said we a couple more people. I mean, I have to call on them. I don't know our one team we are dealing with at this moment. Yeah, man. So big up one team again.
Alright, big up fam. Yeah, big up. So I get some people input on what's going on, you know. So, sorry, hello.
Alright. Wow.
Quite cool.
Me there, man.
Come to talk. So how was the storm treating you on here?
The storm treat me rough, sir, but me give God thanks, me still have life.
You lose your place as well?
No, me hungry house up and God did blow off.
Hungry house up.
Me lose 2 windows, but my kitchen window then blow off first.
Okay. So yeah, you strap in, I replace it now.
Me have chopper in over it.
And it's like this at the minute.
Eh?
That's what they're using now for the
Yeah, I think
So when you get any support from anybody else, like from the government or anything like that?
Me don't know about the government, but people always come in and give just give package and then support.
So any idea anybody telling you when I get back light?
Right now, they must say February, March. They don't have no really time when we can't get that one. Light us a long time to get that.
So they need flashlight and solar light, especially solar, right?
Solar, man.
Solar. Yeah. Because we bring some, but not never many. But we're going to try to get some of the solar light.
Yeah,
that's needed. Tell me something, my friend. What about you? You been badly affected too?
Not bad.
Yeah?
I was smashed down in the night.
Yeah, the inside went happen?
Top flare, they need to take a part to part. If you flare, I want to look apart by the veranda. And they say, what I stand.
What the experience I feel like to you?
Very bad, because a ball.
I can't imagine.
Terrible.
Did you have kids in the house?
Eh?
Did you have kids in the house at the time?
No. Only 15 years. 15 years youngest.
Okay. So what happened? You run out of the house when it happened?
Yeah, I see last part tear off. If you run out and need the flooring. And then if you run drop down, a little piece left to hold it before everything.
Or the base of the floor. So the house could have washed, could have get slapped with it as well too.
Yeah, it was mashed down. But that's the veranda flooring leave.
Right now. So how far you reach on building process now?
Yesterday I just raised up one little something. But I really just raise, just close.
So me and need some like material and anything
yeah,
that
we need some zinc and plywood.
And matches.
Matches. Also without matches also?
Everything mash up, bed, globe, mash up.
Everything.
Come walk up on the hillside and see like a lot of matches on the side as well.
You come when the place kind of look a bit green. If you just come when it's when just come.
Yeah.
But see that some people come down to school when we don't have shelter, man. And when they look up on the hill, when they don't know if I know, appear tears. People have to cry, man. Because how they see. Actually, you come now when the place kind of everybody kind of then knock up back one little something for themselves. You come in, but you can still say, really come together.
Only thing is, you have one bath. I mean, also done one bath.
That's a bad. So right now you're at ground zero. Right now you're at ground zero.
Yeah.
Ground zero. So, we're going to come back and we'll try to organize some more care packs and see if we can get some solar lights.
Yeah, man, just
and see if we can get any, we can get some zincs and stuff. To see the best what we can get. Because right now we have to try to help each other.
Yeah,
it's the only way we can really move forward in this, because we don't say it's going to tough on ones. Because I know a lot of people, they used to farm as well too. All the farming crop damage as well too.
Yeah, man.
A lot of people say goat them gone. And most people raise goat around this area as well. And chicken. And all that things are gone as well. But you can't even raise a chicken now because there's no light. There's no light as well to concern about kill and store.
No, sir, no chicken can't raise.
You have to raise them and still limit feather. Let's raise them by
let's cook them, right? Well, I can't tell them when I go through because we never have experience there, but them so who feels it knows it, so we know it. I really want. As well as when I say the best I want to say right now, because we kind of overcome it, but still. The weight is there.
In a really smooth, but you still have to make yourself be comfortable,
try our best, man, and see what we can assist.
Even Christmas are coming, not even know when that Christmas because I can't have in a memory.
Yes, true.
Just when the day come, make have can't eat a good belly full, make give God thanks.
But the main thing you want is a roof over your head, right?
Yeah.
A roof over your head, because you without a roof, you without a house.
Well, Christmas from me, I don't have anything to buy.
What about you? Where you lose?
Same experience, I mean, and she live.
Oh, you not live? So nothing at all. Which part of the house there? I'm not going on that side there. I'm not going on that side there.
Your mother go around there.
Yeah.
Around a Cindy she go. So them just live top side thing. You know where me live already?
Yeah, up the top. I mean, you said no house, no there back, them side out the hill. Everything gone.
No, you know,
as long as
you see,
gone.
You see, run who's part. Your grandmother used to go run a rough run icon. Run a nana, not even one house now on the side. Not even one. I want some. I Craig alone now make up back one little place.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, no, not him alone. Everything.
Tough. Right, guys, the situation is really, really tough. You know. You hear from the people who have been through it, you know, but it's not normal, you know. It's not normal, but you know the help is there, the help is needed. So anyway we can help, you know, let's just come together and try to give any form of assistance we can give, because I would say it's gonna take time, but time is what we have. Because we now then do have nowhere else to go, more than them just have faith and just hopefully, you know, they can get back on their feet, you know. Also, so that's one of the main things as well to get back on their feet. But they need roofing. So zinc is needed. Zinc is needed for sure. So now, are we close by around here?
Yeah, White House.
Oh, White House, nothing going. We're not too far still. Not too far. So how much zinc you do want? You need so that's 24. And you lose the whole of 24. Right, this time the difference. So she lost 24 zinc times. How much she go on again? One zinc. How much one again? On the foot, right? So how much your record?
Of around 3,000.
3,000 for one zinc.
Yeah, depends on the length. You will get less, I know, but depends on the length. Okay. I 12 length in that one. I 10, right? So I'm saying here the price, you know, so that's what I try to see if we can organize best, you know, because these people don't have any money to help themselves, because I'm saying everything gone and, you know, financial is able to say it's tough. It's tough and I'm really strong right now if you go on with feet. You might see them and look a smile, but trust me, inside it's a different story. It's a total different story, you know. So guys, I'm saying let's just do this, see what we can do, you know. You know, we never know, say we cannot see our car from here, so just have people drive. Because before you couldn't. No, couldn't. Even when you run around, everything where I come from came down side, I sit straight until I reach. All past ravines if I come up. Come and just see the vehicle drive past. I mean, never could have seen that. Everything. Never. So who own this land? Right now, those people own them? Yeah, people own them. Yeah, work for the best, you know? Yeah. Pick up yourself. Yeah, man, if you have life, you have everything. Yeah, you know? Tell them your name. Patsy. We have Patsy and we have Julian and we have Kerry. Yeah. Say so the name, you know. Somebody can happen. Rasta Jackson. See our house there, you see? Oh, it's a Ufa house. Fair house. Yeah. And that's, wow. And that's basically that's the foundation, the floor left back.
All the mattress.
Everything,
Nothing.
man. Nothing, everything.
Are the same mattress you ever used now for the time being? Or you not have any?
No, I don't use that one. That one is not mine, a Vevo company.
Okay.
I don't use mine.
So that's chop oil you put over the house for the minute.
Friend here did it.
Friend here did it. Yeah, you're gonna need a one, man, not lie. You definitely gonna need a one. I forgot our Raman package. Good.
For all the red one them and the green one.
Yeah, but red one over here.
Yeah, but red one and the yellow, me I come back.
Live life.
When me come back, yeah?
I love man, I'm glad to see you.
When we come back, yeah, me I go walk tomorrow, then put arm and leg tomorrow walk.
Alright, Kino. Yeah, man.
General,
And
do
then,
yourself, you know.
yeah?
They're not too forward, man.
Yeah, man, don't do that, you know. Ladies, we catch up here.
Yes, 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 please.
Alright, yeah.
Yes.
Take care. General.
Yeah, father, big up yourself, very respectful.
Frost. Movements, you know. I've dropped people. Bless them, General, yeah. Charlene.
Judy, when we come back,
I'll call you on the phone, yeah?
Yeah.
call me.
I'll take your number, man.
Have a number.
Guys, movements have dropped people. Movements have dropped people. Movements, Tara.
Yeah,
I can leave it down here, right?
all that too.
The driver ready. Country life fit you. She's like what, like the size shoes? Same size? It fit you, right?
Well, sit there.
Big shoes and records.
Yeah, I have a whole heap of seat now. Seat dash way.
Yeah, man, genius, man. That is it for the day, man. You know, it's a lovely turn out, man. Yeah, man, we love what going, man. You see me, I say, and the people, them appreciate the love what we are showing them, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, but we tune in again next time.
Yeah, we did it back. Tara, what you have to say, Tara?
Well, as usual, you know, it was devastating seeing the sights, but God is good, they spared lives, and we were able to come and assist them, give them food stuff, and they were very grateful, very appreciative, and we'll be back soon.
Definitely we'll be back. Definitely, run out. Alright then, here.
Bye.
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 Take care. Go on with them, yeah?
Bag you go.
We don't pay a shop, yeah, so.
Starlink, the over there, so. Let Kino call her.
Call who?
Teresa, may she come down and come wait now. May she come wait for you.
Set, you ready? Lock up. Oh, what is another igloo there? Cool. You have a plastic cup, throw it some.
I share the cup?
Yeah, me pick.
Drink party now.
Yes, so we lock and load? Yeah. Lock and load? Yeah. Oh, there's nobody left out? No. Take away, I must stay, you know. You say you want to stay. Perfect, oh perfect. Perfect. Okay.
Sit down, I'm going to do the whole package, yo. Hey, I'm going to do the whole package, yo. Take it green beach from him.
Bertrand, what go on?
Take me from the moment.
Somebody come call me down here, but
Bertrand, I'm a son.
Take the green piece of Patrick. Take it. Green piece in you. Make sure I green piece in you.
Yeah, so I'm in cool long now.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
KFC. Nobody does it better. Finger licking good.
Yeah, because the person that will come down with free for government is so my birthday.
Who that?
They work at them.
Them the one care package?
Yeah, we get them.
Yeah. So the KFC not give them free chicken there? You have to go check them.
I don't know them.
I mean,
Brown enough to drink that soda now.
I think Jax, you want sleep?
Yeah.
I see it, man. Jax, you want sleep? Yeah. Jax, you want sleep, man. Yeah. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.